Hello students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to start another new chapter, that is factorization. Factorization, in this class you learned so many varieties type of factorization. The methods I am just going to just express one by one within this video. What is actually called factorization? Then we need to know actually what are we are just going to do. So factorization, before factorization we want to know actually what is actually a factor. If you are just off this one part, this is actually called factor. Okay, then we have to understand that is what is factor. Then when an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expression, then each expression is called the factor of the given expression. Suppose then this is actually called the factor. That is any algebraic expression, maybe this is 2x plus 4, it may be, then it can be just written as 2x plus 2. So this is the product of two expressions. It may be one monomial, it may be binomial, whatever. So each of this expression is called the factor of this. So this is actually called factor, and this is actually the meaning of factor. What is factorization now? The process how we are actually just doing these factors in just expressions into two or more expressions, that process is actually known as the factorization. Now method number 1, we can just tell that is when a common monomial factors are occur in each term. Common monomial factors means, suppose this is actually the method is that find the HCF of each term. Common monomial factors of each term. That is, we have to find out the factors of each term. Divide each term by their HCF. That HCF to be divided. Write the product as the HCF and the quotient. Now, giving the example over here. Just go to directly to the exercise number 7a. Just take 1, 1. It is given 12x plus 15. See, we are just doing this is the common of 12 and that is the HCF of 12 and 15. HCF is actually 2, 3. And there is no any other factors over here, that is HCF. That is product of 3, it is divided with the help of this HCF, this will be divided. So it will be coming, see, 12x, that is it is coming 4x plus 5. And this is your answer. That is, it is converted into two expression. Like this, another example I am just taking, this 5x squared, see this HCF of these two, it is actually numerical value is 5, and the variable part is actually x squared. Just take this 5x squared as common and just divide this one, it is remaining x and this minus 3, and this is your answer. Another I am just taking here, this is the 5, 1, put in x cube plus 21 x to the 4 minus y minus 28 x square y square. See, from each term, the fact that is the HCF of these three terms, it is 7, and the variable part it is x square. Here it is x square is maximum, lowest one is x square. So this is actually the HCF of the common term. And here it is divided by 7x square, it is remaining 2x, and this is 3x square y minus 4xy square, and this is your answer. So this process is actually the factors between two or more. It is the common, that is monomial factors. One is factorization when a binomial is common. What is actually, binomial? I am not expressing this one. Suppose this is number 10. It is given x plus 5 square minus 4 into x minus 5. See, this binomial, this is x plus 2 is a binomial, this is binomial, this is actually the common over here, binomial common. So take this common over here, and it is actually just coming, we are dividing this will be x plus 5 and minus 4 is remaining over here. And this, just do the calculation, it will be x plus 5 and this will be x plus 1, and this is your answer. Now take number 15, the same. It is actually 12 into 2x minus 3y square minus 16 into 2x minus 3 square 3y. This is actually the common part. Just take this common part, and also this 12 and 16, HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. So this is actually the common part of these two. So here if it is divided, then it is coming 12 divided by 4, it is coming 3 into this part, that is 2x minus 3y, and minus it is remaining only 4. And do the calculation, this part is here, and this is 6x minus 9y, this is minus 4, this is your answer. Next is coming to the number 19. See here, this is not the common binomial. You have to just make it as common binomial. What is actually C? AB square minus BC square minus AB plus C square. So try to just take or choose from this, that is the terms, which actually just, if you are just taking the common, then the binomial part will be common. Just like this, you have to just arrange this one. Suppose if I am just taking this one and this one, from these two terms, I am just taking AB is a common, then it is coming, this is B minus 1. And if I am just taking minus C square from these two, this and these two, so it is coming B, this is minus 1. See here, actually we are arranging in such a way that is this binomial part should be common like this. So take this common part over here, and this is remaining over here, AB minus C square, and this is your answer. Next one, now 22. See here it is given x minus y whole square plus 4x minus 8y. So make it actually the common of this binomial. So just make it common. See here, if we are just taking 4 common from these two numbers or these two terms, it will be coming x minus 2y, and this has now common. So take this common over here, this will remain over here, plus 4 it will be coming. This is the answer. And number 23, see, this is just given like y square minus xy into x 1 minus x minus x cube. So there is, you cannot just do this common over here. So try to express this, that is the multiply over here. You will get y square minus xy plus x square y plus minus x cube. Now from this and this, just take from first these two. It will be y is actually there is shape, y is common, y minus x. And from this and this, so it is actually HCF is x square, then y minus x. Now this part is common. Just take this common as y minus x, and it's coming y plus x square, and this is your answer. Next one, it is also like 23. See here, x square minus x into a plus 2b plus 2ab. Just multiply this one and choose from this. It is coming, x is common, x minus a. It is 2b is common from here, that is x minus a. This is the binomial part is common, and this is remaining x, minus remaining 2b, and this is your answer. The factorization is now, we have learned over here, that is a binomial common, and there are so many other processes there. In my next video we will learn some more methods just to factorize any expression. Thank you very much.